solve the system, let's first replace the missing variables by 0. So there's no x. We're going to place 0x as the first entry. There's no w in the second row. We're going to replace it by 0w. First, we write the augmented matrix. First column 0, 1, 2, 1. Second column 1, 2, 4, negative 4, and so on and so forth. Elementary row operation. We're going to move R2 to R1. 1, 2, negative 1, 0, 2. 0, 1, 1, negative 2, negative 3. And we will just rewrite R3 and R4. Third step, negative 2 R1 plus R3 in R3. We rewrite R1 and R2. And for R3, it's going to be negative 2 times 1, negative 2 plus 2, 0. Negative 2 times 2, negative 4 plus 4, 0. Negative 2 times negative 1, positive 2 plus 1, 3. Negative 2 times 0, 0, minus 3, minus 3. Negative 2 times 2, negative 4, plus negative 2, negative 6. To get 0 as the first entry in the fourth row, we're going to do negative R1 plus R4 in R4. Negative 1 plus 1 will be 0. Negative 2 plus negative 4 will be negative 6. Minus negative 1 will be positive 1. Plus negative 7 will be negative 6. Minus 0 is 0. Plus negative 1 will be negative 1. And minus 2 plus negative 19 will be negative 21. Now that first row and second row is done, we're gonna just rewrite them. We'll take 1/3 of R3 in R3. 1/3 of 0 is 0. 1/3 of 0 is 0. 1/3 of 3 is 1. 1/3 of negative 3 is negative 1. And 1/3 of 6 is negative 2. To get 0 as the second entry of row 4, we will do 6 row 2 plus row 4 in row 4. 6 times 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 6 times 1, 6 plus negative 6, 0. 6 times 1, 6 plus negative 6, 0. 6 times negative 2, negative 12 plus negative 1, negative 13. 6 times negative 3, negative 18 plus negative 21, negative 39. First row is good. Second row, third row, they all done. Now for the fourth row, we'll just divide both entries by negative 13. Negative 13 over negative 13 is 1. Negative 39 over negative 13 is positive 3. From the row echelon form, we can rewrite the system as x plus 2y minus z equal to 2. Y plus z minus 2w equal to negative 3. Z minus w equal to negative 2. And w is equal to 3. Since w is equal to 3, z minus 3 is equal to negative 2. Add 3 to both sides. Z is equal to 1. Y plus Z minus W is equal to negative 3, which is Y plus 1 minus 2 times 3 is equal to negative 3. Y minus 5, 1 minus 6, minus 5 is equal to negative 3. Add 5 to both sides. Y is equal to 2. And x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2. X plus 2 times 2 minus z minus 1 is equal to 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. X plus 3 is equal to 2. Subtract 3 from both sides. X is equal to negative 1.